I think when I explained, or let's have a look on this picture. On the right-hand corner, there is a vis, which means how we see the landscape in equator, and on left side there is a thermo picture. So we see that there are temperatures 70 degrees, and when we look inside the acacia forest, which is on horizon 200 meters away, we have 20 degrees. So we see 70 degrees on sand and 20 degrees in the acacia forest, because the forest, the trees, they cool. And I think this is the whole story, that vegetation and water are really able to decrease temperature, and not only